Now we're gonna call our next press member, Mr. Adrian Pangilinan from San Diego, Filipino Cinema X Film. Hello, Adrian.
Hello. Hi, can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear and see you as well.
Oh, that's good.
And we
Okay.
can
Kasi
see you as
maingay.
well.
That's good. Maingay kasi sa labas, pero pasensya na. Hi, everyone. Congratulations. Actually, kung okay lang, I wanted to ask everyone involved just a one-worded question. And that question is, what does this project mean to you in one word?
All right. Let's begin with Donnie.
Hi kapatid, Adrian, saan ka pala?
Hello!
Adrian Pangilinan. Blessing.
Blessing. What about you, Belle?
Hello po. For me, growth.
Ooh, blessing and growth. What about you, Jeremiah?
Big break.
Big break. 2 words yun.
So in other words, big life.
Wala ko makahanap na words eh. Nasabi na po.
We'll accept it. Next we have Vivery. Hello, Vivery.
Hello po. Representation.
Presentation. Perfect. Now we have Kaori Oinuma.
Sa akin, baka maging 2 words, the best.
The best. That's fine. Pinabayaan natin si Jeremiah, so you're fine. Next we have Reese Miguel.
Everything.
Ooh. Everything. Joao?
Honor.
Honor. Para naman Boy Scout yata bigla. Kriza. Where's Miss Kriza?
Hi po. For me po,
Love. I love that. Ashley Del Mundo. Faithful. Jello Marquez. Oh, grateful. Very faithful. Jello Marquez.
Sa akin po, gift.
Dalia Varde.
So this project means everything to me.
Oh, just Joao, right? Joao said everything too. Sophie Reyes.
Discovery.
Discovery. Very good. Melissa Jimenez.
Family.
Family. Very good. And then we have Limer Veloso.
I've opportunity.
Opportunity. Very good. So Adrian, did I answer your one-word question? Adrian, are you still here?
Oh, I'm still here.
All right, good.
Nakana yung audio. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. That was really quick. Bilis. Thankfully, nasama lahat. Thank you, guys.
Perfect.